What's up, guys? Welcome back to Garage Build. I'm Miguel.
And I'm Alex.
And today we're putting exhaust on the S2000. We got an HKS exhaust here, single back, and we actually got a test pipe, so we're taking out the catalytic converter, so that'll be fun. It'll be pretty loud, help open up the car a little bit, get more. I just like the noises it makes.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're gonna do it with the cat. We're gonna take the cat out. For that, you'll need like another sensor plug for the cat. Sometimes a cell light will come on. Yeah, hopefully it doesn't though with the sensor that we got. This might look a little used because it is. Budget's running low.
Inflation's hitting harder.
Yeah.
Job reports came in lower than expected.
Yeah, but that's okay. It's in good condition. I got a good deal on it, and either way, it'll make the nice noises that we like. So we're just gonna throw it in and hopefully make an extra 1 to 2 horsepower.
We're gonna throw it in and hopefully not throw our backs out.
Alright guys, so first we're gonna take off the cat back. So for the S2K, the cat back is right here. There's 2 bolts right there holding it.
Uno, dos,
and then you're gonna need a 12 millimeter long piece to unbolt these. Okay, you also have a sensor right here. If you're changing out the cat back or you have a test pipe, the new one may come with a new sensor, or you can take this one off here to put the new sensor, or just follow the sensor line and unclip it if it comes with a new sensor if you're not reusing this one. Okay.
Like spiders crawling
so I have spiders in my garage, I guess. That's how we turn into Spider-Man.
Oh.
So we're gonna do that first, and then we'll go from there.
Alright guys, so since we're replacing the whole thing, we're not going to break it into components, we're just going to rip the whole thing out. To do that, we got to go ahead and take this brace out. It's held on by, I don't know if you guys can see right here, there's a 14 millimeter bolts right there, and then there's a couple 10s in between. So once we take those out, this brace will come off, and then we will move down to the hangers down here, and should be able to get this whole thing out. Yeah, basically this will give us clearance to be able to slide the exhaust out. So when you take that bar off, this little thing will want to come down with it. Just kind of hold it up, and you can re-put one of the 10s loosely on there so it could just stay on while you finish the job. This 110 right here didn't have to come off, so it's just the other ones. Alright guys, so next you want to throw some WD-40 on the hangers there and basically finagle them loose. You did tell them you unplugged it, right?
Oh yeah, I unplugged that sensor up at the front. I don't remember if I said that. So there's, oh, whoops. So there are the hangers right there. On the sides, it might be easier if you take the wheels out, like I have, like lift the car, take the wheels out. Yeah, and then there's more hangers back here as well, so 4 total. Alright, we're gonna get to work on that. Should be loads of fun. Spray it down so you don't cry. Sorry guys, my brain isn't braining. I forgot to tell you there is a hanger. So apart from the 4 toward the back, there is one more right here. So if you just follow the cat back up to this little guy here. Look at that little guy.
It's hanging high.
So there's one more hanger right there, just so you guys don't forget it. It's a little easier if you have someone holding up the exhaust while you're trying to take these hangers out, or you can jack up the, throw a jack under the exhaust to kind of hold it up. Alright guys, so this is the test pipe right here. As you can see, we got it with a new sensor already hooked up to it, so we just plugged the other one out. I'm going to plug this one in. We're going to kind of bundle it up, zip tie it up here somewhere. So I'm just going to reuse the 2 bolts that came with the original cat, just 1, 2 right there. Yeah.
What's the torque spec?
I forgot. I should look it up. Torque specs are important.
No, they're not.
Always torque specs.
As tight as you can.
5 uggas. No, I'm just joking. I will put the torque spec amount down below. You don't want to tighten everything completely at first. Just kind of put it loose so that you can finagle with the hangers when you're putting the rest up. So bolt it up, but not all the way. Just leave some wiggle room so you can move it around. That'll make your life slightly easier, but not too easy because cars are pain. So that's how it looks when
it's loose,
the test pipe. Yep, and the first part of the exhaust is there. We're gonna put a gasket in between there. Yours should come with some hardware if you buy it directly from HKS and not used. Ours didn't, so we have a gasket that we're gonna put in between and some nuts and bolts that we
took off the Z.
Yes.
We switched the seats out.
Yeah, from the Z. No, was it from the Z? Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah.
It was just.
We never changed the
We have some old bolts.
Oh no, the Mustang.
Yeah, we don't. There's no evidence of the Mustang. He didn't own a Mustang. Don't let him lie to you guys.
The Z. So, yeah, the Z.
Yeah, so right there, we'll put the other part on, put it on the hangers that are over here, and then again leave everything loose. And we're almost done. This is how it looks bolted up on all the hangers. I did find out just now that the kit is supposed to come with like a bracket that connects here to have an extra little support thing, exhaust hanger from here. Like I said, I bought this used off somebody. He said he didn't have the bracket, it came separate, and he was never able to find
somebody that
it
he used
online.
Somebody.
So yeah, he said he ran it for a while and tracked it with no extra hanger, so we'll do that too. And if it falls off, it'll be louder. But if you want to try to look for that part, if you want, it's just these two bolts here. You unscrew them and it slides in, and then you'll have an extra holding piece. For the subframe that you took off, that goes connected to this charcoal box for the 14 milliliters.
Millimeters. It's right behind you.
Millimeters. Yeah, this thing. It'll be 33 foot-pounds for the 14 millimeter bolts.
Just tighten them. Alright, just tighten them. He's going to give you a whole bunch of mumbo jumbo. Just put it back on, make sure it's tight. You got the 10 millimeter for the charcoal box, and you got the 14 millimeters for the actual brace to hold onto the car. Yep. Alright?
And then, yeah. And then the other bolts right here, we used some that we had laying around, so it might be a different torque spec from the ones that come with the kit. So hopefully the instructions tell you guys how much. And yeah, we're gonna. It's fucking raining.
Yeah, and I'm getting wet, so.
He's always wet because of me. Just like. So we're gonna throw that on, then we're gonna turn the car on and see how it sounds.
Thank you.
Alright, go ahead.